This presentation is about experiments with force. We have different experiments here, so let's go ahead and describe them by understanding what is the question, what is being investigated here. So look at the first one. We have two ramps. One is higher than the other one, so that's the difference. You're going to drop the car, and then you're going to measure the distance they travel. So the question for this experiment would be, how does the height affect the distance traveled by the car? So what is different is the height, so that will be the question. How does the height affect the distance traveled by the car? Look at the picture number 2. You have the same height, but the surface are different. All right. So the question here would be, how does the surface affect the bouncing of the ball? Okay. Look at question number 3 right here. Picture number 3, you have a bridge, and then they are adding mass to the bucket right here. So here would be, the investigation would be how much force, which is the mass, right, the force of gravity, how much force is needed to break the bridge. How much force is needed to break the bridge? Look at picture number 4. This is flour, and they are dropping rocks from the same height, or from different heights. Okay, from different heights. They drop always dropping the same rock. So the question here would be, how does the height at which we drop the rock affects the size of the crater? Right? How does the height affect the size of the crater that is made on the flour? Okay, and then experiment number 5. Here we have a spring scale that is to measure force. What is changing here is the mass, right? You see the masses are changing. So the question would be, how does the mass affect the force that we need to move the object? How does the mass affect the force that we need to move the object? And the last one, one of my favorites, this is the different surfaces. This is sandpaper, aluminum, cardboard, and I am not sure what the last one is. But since the surfaces are changing, the question would be, how does the type of surface affect the distance traveled by the car? How does the type of surfaces affect the distance traveled by the car? All this experiment needs to be repeated at least 5 times, 5 trials to get reliable results. All right. Okay. Thank you. Good luck on your presentation.